Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau, right? We have questions on how to create this dynamic chart, right? So we talk about this. This is how to create this. See the chart changing, right? And also the sum as well. So there's some data here, right? So these are some of the industrial relationship report, right? So we come up with this. We want to create a kind of chart that will keep changing. So let's do about it, right? Months, and we created a month. So based on that, so how to do that, right? Go to data validations, list, and some here, right? Okay, let's just clear it. So clear this valid data validations, clear all, and do again list. So we're gonna put a drop down list right based on the source here, A3 to A14. That's it. Click OK. And now here, right, we have two ways. One is we highlight this, we add this up. For as a value here, right? So now we can just simply use the VLOOKUP functions to look up that. So it just including this column, and then I'll do the counting: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 0, and that's it. These are the total cases for the month. Total number of cases, 23 cases. And as for here, right, we wanted to achieve something like this, right? So we're gonna create this here. And here, right, we can just copy this, right click, paste that link. Okay, so paste this link is better, right? Because here, right, if I change to reduce x, here we do show as reduce x as well. Now the next is we just do a VLOOKUP based on the value here, and based on the ratio, right, we do not include this, comma, 2, 0, enter. And we're gonna lock this area, so let's just highlight this, lock it, enter. And then we'll change it accordingly. So for February it's 3668, right? Yeah, exactly. So then we copy this, go to select the area and just choose a column chart. Remove this, adjust, and that's about it, right? We can change that March, April, June. So obviously May, April has as per has no IR case, right? Yes, correct. 9880. So you just right click here, add a data labels, right? 9 cases, 8 cases, and so on. Alright, so that's one way to generate that. Now another situation could be that you cannot, or you do wish not to use this, right? You don't want to sum it. So for any reasons, right? So you want to use the offset function. So which I show here, right? The offset functions start with A2. This is the starting point, and after that we combine with the match function H2, which is here. Gonna match that and look at the array here. Lock it 0, comma, columns. We move to one column. So once we locate that month, right, we move one column to the right. So that's why there's a 1 here. Then we have 1. We only take one single row of data, but we take the next 4 column. So that is our basically our dynamic range. And what do we do with this dynamic range? We sum it. So we do sum and enter. So we got 21, which equivalent to what you see here, 21. And that is how you create a dynamic chart. Thank you. This is Ken Lau.